I am Madiha Nousheen. I studied in Jawaharlal Nehru National College of Engineering, specialized with electronics and telecommunication engineering. My year of pass out is 2021. I got placed in IBM with a package of 4.5 LPA. Designation is Associate System Engineer. I would like to give feedback on Jspiders. Jspiders Rajajinagar is the best platform to learn technical skills and to get placed. It is the best and suitable for freshers and non-IT students to learn Java from scratch. And also the faculties and HRs are very supportive, and Sayed sir and Uday sir teach us good Java and web technology from scratch. I would like to thank everyone.